Hello everyone, this is Miss Sharon working in V.S. Patel College of Arts and Science, Pilimora. Here is the presentation of English subject where I come with the topic Playing the English Gentleman. Playing the English Gentleman, this chapter is written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Let us go through about the story. This story narrates the incidents from the time he was studying to be a lawyer in London. Written in a patient and a humorous tone, the extract recounts his various attempts to become, in the eyes of his English peers, more gentlemanly. In Playing the English Gentleman by Mahatma Gandhi, we have the theme of identity, acceptance, change, perception, and tradition. Taken from his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth, the reader realizes after reading the essay that Gandhi may be exploring the theme of identity. This chapter is an account of Gandhi's efforts to mingle in English society. For being the English gentleman, Gandhi does several things, such as wearing all things like he wears a new suit and also tries to learn dancing, violin, and elocution, but all in vain. After some days, he realized that he was a student and he ought to go on with his studies. This realization made him aware of his studies. He stops trying to become the English gentleman and begins to concentrate on his studies. In this chapter, Gandhiji talked about how his life in London was not an easy one because he was vegetarian, and his friend did not appreciate this. His friend would find vegetarianism a hurdle in his development. One day, when Gandhiji was hesitant to eat in a restaurant because he was not sure whether the food was vegetarian or not, his friend became angry and told him that he was too clumsy for a decent society. This provoked Gandhiji to take measures and make himself suitable for English society. He changed his dressing style and took a few classes only to realize later that all this would not make him a true gentleman. But he ever would become a gentleman, it would be because of his character. After that, he gave up his prospects of becoming an English gentleman and emphasized building a good character, reminding himself that he was there in London to study and he was not supposed to stay there all his life. That's it about this chapter. Thank you for watching.